Morning. Welcome to Horsley Retirement Adventures. We're gonna need this today. You know why? Because we're fishing off the dock. If I don't catch any fish, I'm pushing that guy off. That right there. That dude right there is getting in my tackle box. I'm pushing him off in the water. What? They hear that? We're in Cumberland Harbor, my neighborhood. Look at my neighborhood. This is off our dock. Not my dock, but community dock. Is that beautiful or what? Whew. Those are houses I can't afford, but I still live here. Anyway, we're pier fishing off the pier for fish. I just caught a redfish. We didn't have the camera on, so you're gonna have to believe me. I did catch a redfish a few minutes ago. So we're here, it's Friday, and Chris's boat's broken. It's in the shop again, and then my trolling motor was messed up, so I put mine in storage, not knowing that Chris was gonna break his boat. So now we're on the dock. Hopefully we have some fish to show you. Pull out. Okay, hello. Look at this musical. I got a musical fish.
We got phone calls. We got fish. Fish.
I don't know what this is. Why did it come up on the top of the water like that?
Is it a rock? I rock.
That's a weird little redfish. Very musical.
Yeah. But yeah, those should be fine.
Redfish. Yeah. Look at all the spots. Yeah. 2 spots on that side, 1 spot on that side. Okay, buddy. Thanks for letting me catch you. We're not going to keep score, but I got 2 fish and Chris has 2 phone calls. So, yeah. I want to try with just a little tail. Chris needs to fish, but he's talking on the phone right now. Selling stocks. I think the stock market must be going down. All he's saying is, sell, sell, sell. Vote red. All right, pull out.
Boy,
It's a polling.
good night.
Good night.
It's gonna be a keeper. I predict. My prediction.
It might be too big.
Ooh.
Come on, Chris. Do it, baby.
Hey, do it.
Come on. Give me the pole. Let me help you.
Okay.
Give me the pole. You might get another phone call.
You're gonna have to reel it in.
Ooh, it's a big one. I got a net.
You bring a net?
Mm-hmm.
What'd your wife say about that?
She's
don't care
she's
if
best
net
friends with a net.
comes?
She's best friends with a net.
You don't care if a net comes with
No, because that way she don't have to come. Here, let me get behind you. You get up that way. I'll get down river.
How am I gonna get that?
Go that way.
Oh.
Goofball.
We go. Come on, Paul. Get the video and do a net at the same time. There you go. That's a keeper, Paul.
Let me tell you something, people. I know how to net. I mean, I know how to net fish. Look at that fish.
That guy.
I got pliers.
He swallowed that. You gonna keep him? We gonna keep him?
Yeah, redfish? Are you going a keeper redfish? And you're, yeah.
Well, then I'll just cut this line
Okay.
Because
why? Why, Chris? I'm interviewing. Why are you going to cut that line?
Is so far down in there.
How far down is it?
Actually, if I got put my glasses on, it might help.
All right, good fish. Chris out. Paul out. All right, look at that fish. Man, this is action, people. Fish.
Yes, sir.
Red fish. Look at that.
In Georgia,
almost
we have a 14-inch limit
14-inch.
where we can keep 5. Isn't that right?
5. Between 14 and 24 inches.
23, I think.
24, and don't ever correct me when I'm going live on my video.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna have to scratch. Don't even ignore that guy that just caught the fish. Whatever you do.
Listen to the guy who's just talking.
All right, Jonathan, I see you. 2 of my friends are live. What's up, friends? I don't know who he is. All right, I gotta throw my pole in because fish are biting.
This one I can get out.
You can't? You can't? You can?
Good.
I feel like that guy that got pulled over by the police. You want to taste me? Taste me? No, you ain't tasting me. All right, Chris is putting, we got 2 reds. I'm thinking they're, what do you think they are, 1920s?
Yeah, in the neighborhood, yeah.
I mean, they're not, they weren't born in 1920, but I'm thinking they're like a 19-inch or a 20-inch.
Do you have any actual pliers?
Yes, I do not have pliers. He is so demanding. I don't know what I got. It's got to be a flounder.
Yep. He's acting a little curious. Little guy.
You know what it is, folks?
Not a sand perch.
Yep.
Oh no!
Tennessee Walker.
That's even worse. Man. Oh. No.
Oh, come here. Okay, see you later. You got my shrimp in your mouth, dude. Come on, you can make it. Come on. One more foot. There he goes. Those stingrays chase all the redfish out of there because they try to eat them.
I don't think that little stingray could eat me.
Well, that stingray was latching on a redfish. You got a fish?
I got some.
Got something moving on? Okay.
Coal mine, moonshine. No, nothing.
What do you got?
On down the line.
He didn't catch no fish, but you know what he did catch? Those two. They're twins. They're not even talking to each other because one guy says eat it, and look what happened to them both. That's right.
They're both saying it's your fault.
It's your fault. No, it ain't. It's your fault.
You're the one that told me.
You're the one that told me to eat that shrimp. Okay, five redfish, one stingray.
5 registered redfish.
Registered redfish. That's a political joke that Chris just threw out there. Get it? Red fish.
No.
Republican.
No, I wouldn't.
Oh yeah, you were.
I would not.
Okay, pull out.
It only pulls every once in a while. Oh, see, like right there.
That could be a redfish.
Pulling right there. Okay, now it's pulled.
Oh, let me put it there so you can
That's
see.
not. Oh,
This is redfish, Chris.
This is not anything.
Look at that. Gee, crickets are eating it. Here's my
Steady.
He's probably over 50.
So maybe I figured something out here. I'm just gonna sit here.
Get another redfish, I think. Let's see. Where's my audience
Oh, yeah.
waiting? Yeah, another redfish. No, that's a trout fish. Good job. Nice trout.
What kind of day is this?
Weird.
Weirdness.
Weird Al day.
I haven't videoed.
No, you don't have to share. I'll share my video with you.
Oh.
For a prize. I'll send it your way and you can put it on. What? Did you guys see that? That's an assault with a deadly trout. That trout could have bit my arm.
He had his mouth open. When he went past you, he snapped at you.
Tell you what now. I got video evidence of Chris assaulting me. So I'm taking him to court. Pull out. Chris got something. Oh, look at it. The wake it's bringing in.
Oh no.
Oh no.
This guy
Oh no.
was flying with his wings straight at me.
Tennessee flounder. He's a big one. What you want to do is grab him by the tail and you bring him up.
Oh, that's what I want to do. Watch yourself there, Paul.
What I do is I put him down there and I sip on his tail.
Yeah. Then you grab the hook, pull it right out of their little happy smiley face mouth. Yeah. Then what do? Now you're stuck with an angry Tennessee fan.
Come on, just roll over. Just like pretend there's a fire in the house. Duck and roll. If you push this wing down, put that wing down. Come on, you can do it. There you go.
Work your little wings together.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Pull out.
Escape. I mean, complete.
All his own.
Hooked up. Come on, Paul. Let us down here. Need the net?
I'm ready to get up.
Yeah, get up. Let me help you. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Redfish.
You want the net?
No.
It's pretty good. Just keep running.
Yep.
Pretty fish. Nice, Paul. Well, it's time to shine.
Woo.
This is out. Paul's in. Always that time and every day. Paul is out. This is in. This
You know what? He's been caught before by you or
Looks
somebody.
like it, don't
Look
it?
at that. No, I ain't yours, but
You don't think?
I don't know. Could be.
Because, you know, I had that one that broke.
Yeah.
Let's see if he's got one of your hooks.
Well, there's one hook. That's the one they just got out of his mouth.
Did you hook the line that was in his mouth?
Yeah, that's how I
Did
caught
Did
him.
he actually hit the hook that you had the bait on?
There's two hooks now. They look identical.
Yep. That's the one
That's the one that broke you off?
that broke me.
Well, he didn't learn much.
No, he's nice.
Look at that. It's a pretty fish, though.
Ooh, it's a good fish.
Look at that. Look at that. And it's the one that Chris hooked earlier.
You're not going to get many friends that are going to let a fish go so that you can catch
Look
it.
at that. I'm putting him in the live well.
Yeah.
Pretty fish.
You're going to show your appreciation.
Pull out.
by eating. Let's get up.
Got fish.
Get up there.
Not gonna do that.
Try to get your way. What you got, Paul?
I do not know yet. I don't know the wrong side, Chris. Is it
No.
Is it?
Not only is it a stingray,
Oh.
but it was backwards. It was a backwards stingray. And he's getting on. I've never seen a stingray come in backwards. You have him hooked in the.
He swallowed it. No wonder. Okay, Paul out. We're done fishing, but we caught some fine fish today. Chris caught some real nice redfish. I caught a real nice redfish.
Got your money's worth.
We got our money's worth here
On the shrimp.
on the shrimp. What do you say?
Do you want me to do this?
That's an exit
This
interview.
is, what do I say?
Yeah,
Please.
how did you like fishing
Thank you.
on the
I
dock
say-
with Paul?
Oh, that was the most fun I've had since the pigs ate my baby brother.
There you go. You got it from Chris. Paul out.